Hello my friend, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to talk about mean, variance and standard deviation of a discrete probability distribution. So as you know, the mean, which is the notation mu, can be calculated like this. So the summation of all the terms xi times probability of xi. That means x1 times p of probability of x1 plus x2 times probability of x2 plus and so on up to the final number xn times probability of xn. And the variance can be calculated using this formula, the summation of all the terms of xi square, this time it is xi square times probability of xi. Once you calculate this term, then you have to subtract the mean square, mu square, right? And then the standard deviation is simply the square root of your variance, which is the square root of summation xi square times probability of xi minus mu square. So let's look at this example. So this is a probability distribution, right? And this is a probability distribution. If you want, you can check it. The two conditions, the summation of all the probabilities equals to 1 and each of the probability is between 0 and 1. So this is a probability distribution and it is discrete. And let's find mean. So mean equals mu equals summation of xi times probability of xi. So when you calculate these means, variance, standard deviation, it is easy to, if you can construct this way table. The first column is the x, the random variable. The random variable can assume values 0, 1, and 2. And the corresponding probabilities of those x values are like this. Probability of x equals 0, 1 over 4. Probability of x equals 1 is half. And the probability of x equals 2 is 1 over 4. So as you can see in the mean, we have these terms xi times probability of xi. So I'm going to first calculate that terms. This is 0 times 1 over 4, which is 0. This one is 1 times x is 1, probability is half. 1 times half is half. Here 2 times half. So 2 times half is 1 over 2. And then you can take the summation of all these terms, right? Which is 0 plus half gives you 1. So as you can see, this is simply your mean, right? The summation of all xi times probability of xi, which is 0 plus half gives you 1, right? And how do you calculate the variance? So variance is summation of xi square times p of probability of xi. So here x square times probability of x. So your x square 0, x is 0, 0 square times the probability is 1 over 4. So that is 0. Then next one is 1 square times probability is half, which is half. The third one is 2 square times probability is 1 over 4, which is 4 over 4 equals 1. Then you can take the summation of all x square times probability of x equals 0 plus half plus 1, which is 3 over 2. So the summation of all the product of xi times probability of x square times probability of x, we found that this term equals to 3 over 2, right? And then subtract your mu. Your mu, the mean square is 1. So it is 1 square. So don't forget to square that number, okay? So this is 3 over 2 minus 1, which is half, right? 0.5. So then how do you calculate the standard deviation? The deviation is simply the square root of 0.5. So I hope you understand this mean, variance, and standard deviation of a discrete probability distribution. So if you have any doubts, you can comment on the comment section. And thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Bye.